As a former kindergarten teacher and longtime ESGI user, something I always appreciated was having student data that was easy to access, easy to interpret, and easy to use for instructional strategies.
In this video, we'll look at ESGI reports and how they can help you review student progress, guide instruction, and share meaningful data with administrators, data teams, and families. In addition to the item analysis report, which we reviewed in the last video, ESGI includes a full suite of reports designed to help you drive instruction in your classroom. Class reports, such as class totals, pie charts, and untested students, help you plan for small group, whole group, and individualized instruction. When it's time to review and share student data with administrators, data teams, or parents, ESGI's individual student reports are especially helpful. Let's take a look at the Student Progress Report. This report allows you to view student progress across the skills you choose throughout the school year. When you download the report, you'll get a clean document that will show student progress across marking periods. You can view progress by score or percentage of mastery. If your grading scales have been set up for you by a school or district administrator, you can also view grades across the school year. Next, let's check out the Student Detail Report. This comprehensive report puts key student data in one place. To run it, simply choose your students, select your assessments, and run the report. The Student Detail Report shows student progress, similar to the Student Progress Report. However, it also includes a pie chart with the most recent scores, a line plot showing student growth over time, and the most recent correct and incorrect answers for that test. You can print this report for your whole class to save time, or ESGI will separate the report by student, giving each child a clean, individual report ready to share at meetings or with colleagues supporting your students. Another useful report is the parent letter. This report is helpful for teachers, administrators, and families because it gives parents a clear view of the child's progress. Inside the parent letter, you can view and edit the parent letter template. This personalized letter appears at the top of each child's letter. You can edit the template so it matches your own voice, or you can use the default template provided in ESGI. You can also choose whether or not to include grades. Once generated, the parent letter serves as a personalized document for each student's family. Parents can see what their child has mastered, what their child has not yet mastered, and which skills they can continue practicing at home. This makes the parent letter a helpful option for report cards, progress reports, conferences, or other family communication. ESGI reports make it easy to review data, understand student progress, and share meaningful information with the people who support each student. To learn more, visit the Virtual Training Academy or explore the support articles at esgisoftware.com.